So the plan for today is we're gonna go cliff jumping, then we're gonna go to a black sand beach, and then maybe go like hiking and see some waterfalls. So yeah.
I rock that sucker every winter, summer. I feel like the only kid that had to come up. I didn't know that she had to save me so much to give me that jacket. Dance like that. I got the 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 dance like that. Here I see one.
Let's stop there, let's stop there.
Yeah. Look, right here, look, guys, I swear.
Oh yeah. That's like a 20-minute hike. So crazy. The Wild Jackson's chameleon. How long do you think it would take for Uber Eats to get out here?
What?
Yeah, guys, cliff jump from here.
I think I can make it. Oh, it's a fly.
Black sand beaches. Alright, full send time with the boys. Ow! 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 This hurts. Ah! I feel like they're everywhere! Dude, I'm scared! I'm really scared! I'm really scared, bro! How's your protection, dude? I'm gonna take it! About to get wrecked by a wave. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Here it is. Some of these waves are only like 4 to 5. Others of them, I don't know how it looks on the camera, but some of these waves are like 6 feet, 6, 7 feet, which doesn't sound like a lot until this happens. Wow. Hawaii. Whoa! Whoa, dude! So he started like right about here, drove for an hour and a half, did some beach stuff, now we're here.
Okay, so we started about
I hate you! Alright.
And then from
And
right
now
there, we
we're
went
going
up
all the way
to the island over here.
And now we're gonna go
And then we're gonna make our way over
so
to
much.
the jungle.
Anything's sick, bro.
I know.
What would you rate this? Yo.
Cactus!
We got time to be. We are currently lost in the jungle of Hawaii. We are so lost, covered in mud. We don't know where we are. We tried to go to a waterfall. Now we're lost. I don't know what's happening. We need help. So, ow! All right, here, come on. Are you coming?
Oh wait, no guys, this is the spot. This is definitely the spot.
Alright, as you can see, I can't hold anything, I have mud. Yeah. As you can see, we are very lost. We don't know what we're doing, we don't know where we're going.
Can we wait a second? No, so many times, hold it. You can hold it.
I can't see where I'm going! Oh, hold on, don't push me! I'm barefoot.
Then put your shoes on.
I can't, they're muddy.
use our money too, bro.
Hey, bro, but I'm slipping and sliding.
That's your own
Hey,
fault.
flip flops.
And let me go in front of you.
Yeah, this is actually not getting good.
This means that we came. Okay, wait, stop taking videos. This means that we came from above, so we have to go back, find where that track is going back up.
I'm a tourist.
Why don't we just go up there?
Well, yeah, it's not that bad. It's really not.
Okay, but
no,
try
it's
it. Try it. Then it's not fun. It looks pretty slippery.
Try it.
Okay, it's already not fun.
You guys can't do that in flip flops though.
Guys, there's a path.
There is a path up
Okay, just do that.
Just keep on doing the
There's a path. There's always a way. There's always another door.
Yeah.
We are George of the Jungles out here,
Hey,
bro.
we have the girls yell?
Oh! How are you feeling?
Bro,
Good?
I'm low-key scared.
Oh, jeez. Get out of my way. Oh, jeez, dude. Oh, jeez, dude. Oh, jeez, dude. Oh, that's slippery.